This is a 2017 Lincoln Continental Reserve with 27,000 miles. Oh, what a car. What an amazing car to drive. This is so fun. It is such a nice luxury vehicle. Vehicle is running. It needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Like all of our vehicles, we perform a 125-point certified pre-owned inspection on everything that we sell. When you buy a vehicle from us, it will not need a thing mechanically or cosmetically. On top of that, we offer a best price guarantee. If you find a comparable one for sale in our market, please let us know and we will gladly beat their price. So yep, you're getting a certified pre-owned vehicle with a best price guarantee. Not going to find that anywhere in the market. For pricing, pictures, and undercarriage pictures, please feel free to visit our website, autoparadisetx.com, autoparadisetx.com. Again, such an amazing car, so many options. I'll try to go through all of them. It has front and rear parking sensors, 360 camera system, alloy wheels, tires are in great shape, fully serviced, needs nothing. I'll do some more about the interior and some of the options it has, but wow, it's just such a nice, stunning car. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. You'll be lucky to find a rock chip on this thing. I don't even know that there's a scratch on this thing. It is that clean. Such a super, super nice car. I will drive this until it sells. So we're going to go to some of the features on this thing, and it just has so many, and I apologize if I forget them, but so it has beige leather interior with all kinds of lumbar supports and power to adjust the lumbar. It has the original floor mats. It has navigation, backup camera. So as you can see, it has 360 camera with your backup camera. Heated and air-conditioned seats, push-button start, blind spot detectors, heads-up display, 27,000 miles, cruise assist. No crack dash. CarPlay, Bluetooth. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise, power telescopic steering wheel, memory seats, just so many options. What a nice car. Oh, sorry about that. What a luxury car. Wow. So once again, 2017 Lincoln Continental Reserve, 27,000 miles. Luxury at its best. Just a wonderful car. Super fun to drive. Great for road trips. Wow. Needs nothing.